What the hell? Hey guys, did you even know what your sister's name is? Umbrella? His name is Umbrella. Umbrella. No. His name is Emma Otae. She's Emma Otae. And she's full name is Emma Otae. Emma Otot at saka Tae. Meron Umbrella. That's her full name. Really, I'm not joking. And she's saying poo poo every time. And she says, I'm a baby, she says. And also he says, I like pooping in your face. No!
I'm not joking. She's baboy, not me. She's baby, not me.
Hindi nila maalam yung Filipino na sinasabi mo. Nakita ka na mga tao. Everyone see her. She's name is Umbrella.
Vodka!
Umbrella! Ika Umbrella!
No, babe.
Umbrella! His name is Umbrella.
She's bad, I'm not me.
Hey, you know, his name is Umbrella.
No! She's not me. I'm not joking. His name is Kuya Baboy Ta. He's not me. He's Baboy.
Hey, that's she, the fat one.
No way!
She's the fat one.
No way!
She's so fat, she does what to show her body. She's fat, that's why her name is Fat Umbrella. His name is Fat Umbrella. Violente, Lende. His name is Umbrella. My fat is Umbrella. Kamu na, alis ka na kasi bawal, di ba ang galing, di ba? Bawal, lalagay ko sa YouTube, di ba ang galing?
No!
Everyone!
Uy!
Parang hindi ka makita.
Baboy.
Kita ka na. Look at her. So, she's face is fat.
Bad.
His face is
She's
fat.
bad, not me.
You know what she says? I like pooping in my face. Everyone. She stinks. She said I stink. Hi, poop face. 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 You like some poop? Some poop? Hey guys. Hala, tingnan mo. Sige, isa pa.
Bad.
She says I'm a baby. And also she says I stink. And also she says I want to poop in my face. Okay, that's it for today, guys. And she beats me every time. When I play, she disturbs me. And so you don't like her.